When winter weather is forecasted for the SWKSS region, SWKSS is here. I'm using our new Radar Omega to determine and track the storms. Using Radar Omega to determine how much snow and ice you will receive. There are SWKSS Snowman Report live streams, giving you the latest on closings and cancellations of Kentucky schools, businesses, medical, and more. Preparing for extreme cold, dress in layers, cover exposed skin, limit time outdoors, and don't forget about the pets and bring those inside. Prepare your home for winter weather. Keep enough non-perishable food and water medications for at least 3 days. Ensure you have warm clothing and blankets. Make sure you have an updated first aid kit. Charge your phone in advance and check wireless emergency alerts. Staying warm when the power is out. Close blinds to contain heat and keep heat inside. Close off rooms to avoid wasting heat. Wear layered and loose-fitting clothing. Eat and drink food that provides energy and warmth to the body. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Stuff towels and rags under doors. SWKSS covers 29 counties in western Kentucky and 2 in Tennessee. Being prepared saves lives. SWKSS before, during, and after the storm. And good early morning to you all if it is early morning for you, or good morning to you if you're getting up for the day. 12:40 in the morning is the date of what we're seeing out there so far and what the models are telling us. Can everybody hear me okay, or are we not getting audio here? Good early morning to you all if that is early morning for you, or okay, sounds like we are getting audio now. Sounded like we didn't there for a minute, but we are up and running. So this is the current radar. We do have some snow activity here starting out uh, here in the Trigg County area, pushing off to eastern Trigg County. Changing over from rain here in Levittown, coming up into the Cays area right now. Other snow rain activity scattered across the region through Mayfield up to Paducah area as well. This continued to fill in, come together through the morning hours this morning. Let's take a look at this model we have that come in. I meant to get on a little bit earlier, but had some things to take care of. Let's swap it over to the GFS. Come back to the HHR in a minute. Okay, so obviously, just starting out, this is a little bit off, but okay, so this is 12 a.m. So kind of a little bit. You see where we always say these are models. It doesn't always pan out. But this is 12 a.m. This is what the radar kind of sort of looks like. We got general idea. We've got shower activity across the region starting out. More widespread activity coming up through Morganfield, down through the Madisonville area, down through the Todd County, and far eastern Christian County there at 3 a.m. Ice accumulating, uh, heavy icing in the western side of Hopkinsville, north and eastern part of Trigg County, back up through the Lyon County area, and back over to the Paducah area at 3 a.m. Push this on forward. Starting now, widespread around the region, heavier at times, down toward our Tennessee counties as well. Snow mixing in up toward the Madisonville area at 6 a.m. this morning. 9 a.m. this morning, ice and sleet following area wide across the SWKSS region. That does include our Tennessee counties at 9 a.m. this morning. 12 p.m., still icing continuing. So, as we said, these models were signaling south, and that looks like the general idea of what's happening. So, we could have more issues than we anticipated with this if things pan out here. By 3 p.m., this scene, we're starting to swap over to some rain activity region. Pushing it forward to 6 p.m., we're over to all rain, it looks like. Let's see, let's just on forward. So some light snow activity around 3 a.m. in the morning for your Monday morning. And we are done. Looks like. Let's double check this. Oh, nope. On Monday, we got some a little bit of shower activity for snow showers around the region. 12 p.m. snow shower activity. 3 p.m. snow activity around. and then we're clearing out about 6 p.m. on your Monday afternoon, and we're done with this system. Let's go to our HA. Actually, what I want to do first, we have a new thing that we can do with Radar Omega. So let me bring that up. Okay, so this is the, see the measurements on this. This is 0.25 of an inch of ice or greater. So this breaks it down to a risk category, if you will, kind of like a severe weather risk that we do. Marginal, slight, moderate, and high, like we will with a severe weather risk. And this breaks it down to ice accumulation up to that measurement. We are now at a slight risk of 0.25 plus of an inch of ice in the Trigg County area, where you see this lighter orange here. This heavier orange band coming northern Trigg County through the Hopkinsville area, north central Todd County, up through the Madisonville area, north of Paducah, through the Lyon County area as well. You all are under a moderate risk of icing of 0.25 of an inch plus. So that is something there. Let's take a look if they've updated any snow. Okay, so it looks like the 4-inch plus snowfall will be to our north of our region. So not much of a change there. As I said, anytime you get icing, and yeah, it still looks like on day 2 there to the north of us as well. So get snow totals here in a minute on the both GFS. Let me go back to the GFS and get a measurement for you on snow and ice. Model we have right now. Okay, let's go back and see where we are as far as precipitation wise on snowfall totals. This is on the heavy side of what's actually going to take place. Actually, no. Okay. So 0.8, so almost about an inch, a little bit less or more, give or take. And the Trigg over through Hopkinsville area, northern Todd County, Madisonville area, a little more like 2 inches, close to it, give or take. Lyon County, you're about an inch. I guess over to Paducah, about an inch as well. So I'm saying about an inch area wide, possibly, of snowfall with this, give or take. As I've said before, anytime you have ice involved in it, it is so hard to determine snowfall amounts. With that being said, it will take your snowfall amounts and just shatter them in half or more. So this is ice accumulated according to the GFS, 0.42 in northern Trigg County there. You go to southern Trigg County, so I do want to clarify something here while I'm live. This is nothing compared to the 2009 ice storm. For the folks up in northwestern Kentucky, probably about half of what we saw then. Um, Folks up in Missouri and stuff, yeah, you might be getting a little bit closer to what we dealt with back in '09, but nothing in our area suggests us that we're going to have an '09 ice storm. So, just to clarify that, I know there were some things I saw it myself on social media, people trying to push that we're going to have an '09 ice storm, a repeat of 2009, and that's not the case. So, just to ease some minds there, could we have some power outages across the area? Yes. Could they be extended at times? Yes. Do I think we're going to have an apocalypse like '09 that we lost cell phones and power and everything else for days and weeks at a time? No. Uh, I just don't anticipate that happening. With that said, I did find out that Kentucky, I just found out a while ago that Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear has declared a state of emergency ahead of this event uh, to mobilize the National Guard and all of that. We're going to get a text update on that and get that posted. As well as I'm going to update all of your watch warnings and advisories for today as well. Everything remains the same as we were earlier. About a half inch of ice as we go up toward in the central part of our area up here near Paducah. About a half inch of ice over toward Paducah. We had a little over. We had about 20, so nothing at all compared to 2009. Some of these people are just losing their minds on social media right now. I mean, I can't explain it. Just to freak everybody out, I guess. Clicks. Just gives us a bad name. Uh, let's look at the HHR and see what it's showing here. I've got to get it out of this mode. All right. Go away. All right. We're going to run here and see what we get. Okay, yeah. So 5 a.m. widespread. Looks like sleet mostly across the area. There's freezing rain mixed into that. All right, we're going back over to sleet. And just heavy rain. Down in Tennessee, if you know anybody down toward the Jacksonville area, you all could even hear a rumble of thunder possible today. Anybody in the deep south, they're actually under. Let me turn this. Well, you're actually under an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms. Parts of Louisiana, Arkansas, under an enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5, severe weather risk today. 10% chance of tornadoes down there. So this is a very, very potent system that's going to be giving us ice and snow and rain. Be spawning tornadoes down there. So if you know anybody down there that you need to warn, pretty active tornado today. Okay. So for some reason we went into full screen on radar. Let's go. Whoa. Okay, HHR. Let's push it out that slash run. About a half inch. Closer to an inch. If you're going through Princeton, they'll probably inch and a half to 2 inches as far as snowfall goes. But as I said, it will shatter your snowfall rates. Okay, icing. Ooh, I don't like to look at that. Okay. Well, let's hope that's just a glitch or something, because that I don't like to look at that. Overall, 0.6, 0.34 northern Caldwell County. So you hit the drift about. Well, as I said, could we get power outages? Just could some of them be long lasting? Yes. Do I anticipate a lot of those? No, as of right now. But this is nowhere near a 2009 ice storm. I want to stress that to you. Uh, a lot of people have pushed that online the last couple of days, and I don't like it. Why do that? Why scare people? Especially in our region that will remember that well. Uh, Nothing like it. Not at all. Really ticks me off. People do that. Sorry, but it does. All right, so let's go. If y'all want to, we'll look at the other system. See what the latest data is on it. That's a lot of problems. Could we have them? Yes. Should everybody stay home today? If you can, yes. And possibly Monday morning if you have anywhere to go. What am I doing here? Here we go. Well, that's certainly changed. Okay. As I told y'all, this can change. It looks like it is. It can change back too. So if you had your hopes up for snow, let's take a look at it. Probably going to be our Tennessee county. Usually, what happens? So about an inch, just maybe, give or take, across the area. Heavier down in our Tennessee counties, actually, for once, about 2.5 inches. So, you guys normally miss out, and we get all the snow up here to the north, but looks like you guys are going to win out on that one. So they're going up toward Madisonville. So as I said, that storm is a ways out, and as you models can change dramatically for you, as always. But as of right now, I think the bottom line is uh, your watch warnings and advisories remain the same right now, area wide. State emergency in effect for Kentucky. Uh, about 0.25 of an inch, pretty much area wide, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less here and there. Could we see power outages? Yes. Uh, some of them could be lasting a little while, but nothing compared to the 2009 ice storm. I would wish that again. So, with that said, that is all we have. Latest update information for you. I'm going to work on that text update for the state of emergency and get that posted, as well as update our watch warnings and advisories. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, stay warm if you can, and we'll do another snowman report tomorrow afternoon. If you missed the other one, it is on here where I did it earlier. A lot of churches called off already. I'm sure there's probably going to be more in the morning, and probably more already than I have on my list, but pretty safe bet if you do normally go to church, do things on Sunday morning, call those off for tomorrow. Probably a safe bet. Do it online. Stay safe, stay warm, stay off the roads, and we'll catch you on the next one. When winter weather is forecasted for the SWKSS region, SWKSS is here. I'm using our new Radar Omega to determine and track the storms. Using Radar Omega to determine how much snow and ice you will receive. There are SWKSS Snowman Report live streams, giving you the latest on closings, cancellations of protected schools, businesses, medical, and more. Preparing for extreme cold, dress in layers, cover exposed skin, limit time outdoors, and don't forget about the pets and bring those inside. Prepare your home for winter weather. Keep enough non-perishable food and water medications for at least 3 days. Ensure you have warm clothing and blankets. Make sure you have an updated first aid kit. Charge your phone in advance and check wireless emergency alerts. Staying warm when the power is out. Close blinds contain heat and keep heat inside. Close off rooms to avoid wasting heat. Wear layered and loose-fitting clothing. Eat and drink food that provides energy and warmth to the body. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Stuff towels and rags under doors. SWKSS covers 29 counties in western Kentucky and 2 in Tennessee. Being prepared saves lives. SWKSS before, during, and after the storm. This has been an SWKSS Winter Weather Update live stream. Don't forget to come back and check the SWKSS Snowman Report for delays, closings, and cancellations. Don't see your closing or delays on our list. Message us here on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.